Hi guys, and for this video, I'm just playing around with you. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And you guys finally get to hear my voice. Woo! And my cat's over here. She literally got on my laptop, then she wouldn't get off because she was laying on it, and then she attacked me for it. So then I just tilted my laptop to just tilt her off. So I got some scratches on my arm because of her. She's so mean sometimes. Kitty, are you a feisty kitty? Bye-bye. She doesn't want to talk right now, I guess. She doesn't like me anymore. Just kidding, she loves me. I know that because she lays on my chest at night, and I don't know why, but she lays on my chest at night, and I'm the one who moves the most, and sometimes she lays at the bottom of my feet, so I kick her sometimes. Then she attacks my feet in the middle of the night, and it hurts because she's chewing on my toes. So that's why I wear socks sometimes. Okay, but anyways, I'm supposed to be talking about it in the gym, not my cat, and her biting my toes. Okay, so, I asked these two yesterday if they want to be on the video, but they said no. Oh yeah, and this is my first time using the screen recorder. What's it called? Screencast matic, which is really cool. And yeah, so what should I do? Well, this is my den house den fire pit. That's not really bed anymore. These bedded chairs, bedded sofas. Um, Christmas presents. This table area. Over here. You can probably hear stuff in the background because of my sister playing upstairs with my mom. And my sister's really loud, so you can hear her stomping up there. And, well, I'm gonna pause the video and I'll be back to it. Bye. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, my mom was talking to me and my sister. She's like, hey, you wanna help clean your room? To my sister, so I just don't like cleaning. But my sister loves cleaning for some reason. She loves cleaning other people's houses but not ours. I don't know why. Probably because she stuffs things under our beds and blames it on me a lot. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyways, good here. They have these there? I never knew that. That's not fair though. And they only have 10 days left. I never knew they had these. I gotta check the stores more often. I don't know how long the holiday boots. Holiday boots. Can wear them anywhere. Holiday boots. Holiday boots. Okay. Who's this? I don't know who this is. Okay, but anyways, let's see. Oh, I'm tired. Okay. Sorry. Can I go down? Because I have betas on trade. Betas. I call them betas. Dang it. That's okay, because there's probably a lot of people here too. Bro, this is the least amount of people I've seen that try to go to a party's den. Or maybe Woot Moose. Or Wisteria or whatever. Well, I think that's how you spell this. or oh my gosh, I scratched the stain from the cat. Yeah. Probably not gonna do a lot of trades because there's some down here. Oh my gosh. I had one rare wrist. It's not a long though, and I got it from like a non-member trading me random things. Well, no, it was this member. They traded me a long, well, not a long, just like a rare collar, and it was yellow for like. She traded me those other betas for something, but I don't know if it was supposed to be a flash trade, but I heard and accepted it for like this regular wrist. That's not rare spike. So, oh, that's not beta. I would accept it. Trade me a dead beta. Oh, what's out? Trent and I can't pronounce that. But you can pronounce mine. Mine's Abby is cool as mine. Cookie13407 says Avy is cool as mine, but no! She left! And I tried to trade her a beta. Because that beta's under it. Ooh, Bob. Hello, Bob. Sorry, guys, I get really distracted sometimes. Okay. Well, I used to have those when I first became a member, and I didn't know about betas. I used to have a whole bunch of these random betas, and I didn't know, so I traded them for like stuff you could still buy in the stores. Yeah, I was really I wouldn't say dumb, but I was just not really smart because I just became a member after a month playing. Oh look, what's your color? Here, I'll try to trade for her. She's probably most likely not gonna accept. I think so. No, I don't think she wants a small. Sometimes my mouse, if I double click, then it clicks that and a random item. It's weird. Okay, well, I'm gonna start this trade and I'm gonna pause. So, okay, I'm back. And, I'm just trading on some like random things and a couple betas. I'm not really that rare, so I just traded her some of this stuff. She really wanted that open sign, so I'm just doing the open sign trade. Let's see. I don't even know if she's on anymore because I traded. Because it took me like probably 7 minutes to like just go through my inventory and find stuff. I don't even think she's on anymore. Here, trade me fairly. I'm enchanted wool F316. Do you make videos or? Well, everybody should really. Well, I tried. Probably not the best I could have done, but I do want to get rid of all my betas. You can't trade right now. I don't know why, but I keep thinking it's best. Get enchanted with 316. Any address for my digger tail. Oh, the digger source. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up for today. Well, not for today. I'm probably gonna make another video, but just for like right now, people's stickers. Yeah, they are. Okay, but anyways, well, I'm gonna wrap it up for this video, and Please like, subscribe, comment, and oh yeah, I'll be doing a giveaway. That's what I did for my first video, but like no one really entered in it. But it's like I'm doing a beta sofa, one of those beta sofas I have. Then I'm probably gonna do like some some other betas. Maybe my open sign, I don't know. But I'll write that in the description what I'm gonna do. So I think that's gonna be it for this video. So bye guys.